All right, time to make these cabinets childproof. Let's lock them up. Wait, what? No. You must be kidding me. You must be kidding me. Wait, do that again. Do this one. Come here. Come here, come here. Let's see if you can do that one. I don't believe you. Did you just do that right now? Let's see. Come on. There's no use of those anymore. No, 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 no. What about this one? Try this one. You can't. I'm pretty sure you can't open this one. Come on, come here, come here, come here. Do this one. You must be kidding me. Are you serious? Why would you do that, bro?